What is up, guys? I'm going to be showing you how to get Cydia on 8.4. It's not really Cydia, but it's somewhat close to Cydia. As you can see, if you go right here, you have emu and all that stuff. And also, if you go to manage, and this right here, you have all this stuff right here. It's completely free. You don't need any jailbreak. Okay, so here. You go to cydiax.wix.com. And then once you're here, you click on install. Pause the video if you need to. And just click OK if that pops up for you. And at the bottom of the screen, the square with the arrow pointing up, you click on that, and then you put add to home screen. Add, and then look, you have Cydia. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that because I already have it. But I hope this helped you out. And don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really does help me out.